What go on now, people? You don't know, for you see the face of the Bushman, you know, Maggy Films. You what go on now? Me there with Problem Bike episode 2, right? So I just want to sit back, relax, and full joy the one. But firstly, more big up all of the people who subscribe, a comment, a share, and a tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a next friend. Say, go over Maggy Films, cause you know, you see Maggy Films and our normal channel. Big up on yourself for that, right? Anyway, you see the producer of the movie, SQUNG MUSIQ is a real producer in a real life. So you what? See him link right there, so, and him link I got there down in the description as well. So all of the artists them, even if you're a producer, you want to link him up to. See? Anything you have to do with music, link him up. A bad piece of producer, so I want to check him out, right? Anyway, also remember In Office with Dr. JEVON Samuel's podcast. Remember, you know, health come first, don't put it last, right? Go on over there, go check out what I go on. Check out the contents them. Make sure you subscribe, right? Yeah, man. So without further ado, Problem Bike, I'm a Problem Bike. Problem Bike.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Yeah. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Yeah. Problem bike. Me love girls, me love girls, me love girls from all over the world. Me love white girl, me love black girl, me love tall girl, me love short girl. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. What a pretty eye could be a man. What a pretty eye could be a man. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike. Any money you have in your pocket, from a see the girl, what me like, you have to take it out and give her. Oh, what me name? Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Yeah, problem bike. Girls are my thing, girls are my thing. The girls them say me a them king. Me love Keisha, Trisha and Kim. And what them call me? Problem bike, problem bike, problem bike. Now me a the problem bike, problem bike. I'm the problem bike. Yeah, you know I'm the problem bike. Anywhere you see me, and anywhere I see some girls that I like, you know it goes. Money gonna flow. Yeah, shit, we gotta do that dance. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike.
Right in Portland in a square, me I go. Right in a square of Portland.
So you come with me?
Yeah, then in Portland I can go.
Alright, sir.
Come on, man.
Alright, sir. Alright. Okay.
Yes, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Up at Portland there, huh? Help me take you out now. Wow. Portland. Push him more. Hold on. Straight the hand. Yeah, man. Yeah, press the hand with that. Right, no challenge. Pull on one more time. No challenge. Just hold it clutch. Hold. Straight. Give me.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, man. Man, I say no, man. Guys, all for respecting him. Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro.
We take down from my tongue, yeah?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Take it. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Come here and do me.
Now make it work. Now do it.
Yeah, man. Do the right thing, man. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out. See it, Portland people. See it. See you out. Bike from down in the west, I sell. See it, people. Auntie, now buy for you never. See you out. Go back, Auntie. Go on back. Go on out. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out. See you out, Pana machine. See you out. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out, Pana Biker, my general. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out. Portland people, see you out, Pana Biker. General, where you say? Yeah, buy. The right bike. 80 grand feet, man. Advertise it for me. See you out, Pana Biker, man. See you out. Get it. See you out, Pana Biker, people.
General, you say I sell it?
Yes, my general. What go on, man?
Bad man.
Yes, man. Clean and sitting, man.
You say no problem?
No problem, brother.
Me no want buy you no problem today.
No, we don't have a problem with it.
Oh, okay. Like I say.
Hold on. Listen, we don't have a problem with general. Where you say? Me I do that transaction and stuff, brother. Wait, talk to me.
How much you sell it for?
80 grand me I sell.
80 grand?
Yeah.
And he said no problem.
No problem.
Alright then, you know say, I have to go buy a machine and come back.
Yeah, I got the machine. No problem with the right. That's about make sure so nobody not first you.
No.
Nobody first.
Don't sell it.
It's gone.
Me need it, you know.
You need it.
Yeah man, cause
Run, go on and come now. If uncle you buy 80 grand for you, brother. I'm my first time in a Portland, I say, you know. Yeah. So you don't know, we have to bring something special for Portland. Go on and come, General. Oh,
Yeah man.
Hurry up, make sure you hurry up. Yes. How much money that? How much money in that? That can't buy, uncle. That check more next time. That 80,000 feet, brother. That can't buy, uncle. Check the work on next time. I can't go next one come to Portland and come sell them. See? Yeah man. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out, Pana Biker. See you out, uncle. Where you say? Nice machine, you know. Yeah man, cool man. See you out, Pana Biker. Yeah, no star. You better take them for the man.
You know that yet. That's good.
Let her go.
That's still time.
That's me I tell him now. Let her go.
Yeah, General, reach back, you know.
Wait. Real.
Yeah, man, I'm glad that I sell you.
No, I don't wait, man. Are you me a wait for, man?
Yeah.
You me a wait
So
for.
you say I have the papers there, me do.
The papers already. That's what I say for 80.
Oh.
Yeah.
But that good sticker in a farm, I'm going to have to pay. Go round and go round. They say 70,000.
80, man.
80, not 70, you tell me.
What no, 80 me tell her. I did 90, I'm going to take it down. I did 90,
no, sir,
take it
no,
down.
That be 100 because you're loyal, you don't sell.
No, man, I don't sell it, man. I don't know, you know. You may have it, man. You see?
How much that? I need to check your money.
Watch out. No, me account when you are account, you know.
Oh.
80.
Alright, that's good.
I hear your bike now, my general. See, key night, man.
Alright.
Wish you all the best, you know. Wish you all success and luck.
Yeah, man.
Wish you all the best. Yes, sir.
You can't keep this as still in a car.
Yeah, man. How are you, sir, man?
Alright,
No,
pick up yourself.
tell already, man. You see it?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So look a bit.
Alright.
All the best, you know, man.
Oh, I can't bring my color load them fine.
Ah,
General.
No. Boy, I'm sorry for you, brother. Oh, God. Get me that bike, brother. Get me that bike. Get me that bike now. Get me that bike now. Babes. No more stress and pain. Babes. No more. Babes. Hold on. No tell me say babes gone again, yo. No, sir, yo, no. Babes gone again, brother. Yo, I shouldn't follow nobody and sell the bike, you know, again, you know. Babes! Oh gosh, brother, no. You can't, hold on. Can't believe I shouldn't listen to, yo. I shouldn't listen to this man and go sell the bike again, you know. Can't believe that. Yo. You know what say babes gone again, brother? Pinky gone again, you know?
Hold on. What do you mean, sir, Pink? Well, Pink gone again.
She gone again, brother. Brother, yo, I should go on to Portland go sell this bike, brother. I have to go back to Portland, brother.
Because this is so mysterious, but one thing. You sound like say you got some you have some power, some spiritual power.
Brother, yo, hear me say, yo. Yo, I so come check you, brother. Yo, I fall come check you. Yo, I come check you, man. Yo. Can't believe it, no, man. Yo. Wait, I said that.
Yeah, man.
Wow, I tell her, brother. Ah, coach it.
No, I don't know up to them. Today no one day for work, so I'm just there.
Today I don't know
Watch
what day
what
for
I
work, brother. I don't know what day for work today, man.
Can you show me, you know what I mean? You know me a cuss like a dog, you know, puss and dog and sit me and hear you out.
That mean nothing, brother.
Yeah,
People cuss and they still, yo. How far me I come from, you know, my youth?
That's true.
Why?
But dog only back off a dog, you know? So we always go back off each other at times.
Tell them, man.
So you say I go on with you now, because I want to hear you out, you know, and you told me what I'm going.
Yeah, thing.
Why fullness?
You know, say, the woman I tell about my book in our day, I say, I settle down now with brother.
So she not going good, man?
I don't know.
Fit you and everything, and you're happy, you clean your teeth at night time and cha.
But you know, you hear me out of our brother.
No, but me I say everything we alright, I want now.
Yeah, but me I say, the woman gone. I sell the bike.
What you say?
I sell the bike.
She gone.
And the woman gone.
That don't sound good.
The woman gone too. And I sell the bike. So it's like two things were coming in my life. Gone. Fast and quick.
Abracadabra. No, you see it, no, you don't.
No.
Alright, what me I say to you still? What you do? Did you do something to make that woman leave, pack up and leave? That's the next thing me ask.
Me and I just live loving, brother. You know.
So what do you think will happen? Like, a woman loving them, you know? So me I say if you know feed her the proper way and she just feed her.
Food always in my kitchen, brother.
Brother, I'll be a tin mackerel on you.
My father,
Hello, I'll be a tin mackerel on you. When you come here and say you not even want to buy bulla, You understand me? I say, I just drinks alone you buy. And you beg me piece of bull at all times. You know, it's a face style that some don't know where you have to try to show off. Brother, a long time with the boat, you know. Nobody try to show off and put things where you're not supposed to go. You understand me? I say?
So every day I buy a box food, I'm not broke in half.
You can't buy.
So you talk about fear, brother.
You can't break box food in half. That's the first thing. That's for sure. It's a lie you tell. You just try to say something for make the whole situation. Talk about your business again about the woman. So let's say go on now.
You not talk about that now. A woman not talk about now, brother. And you see it. The woman gone, brother. That me I say, oh, I'm feel so happy. So me go start a family, brother.
So what you say? You do something. Tell me no man. Talk to me. I'm bridging no man.
I do nothing, brother. I tell you something. I do nothing, brother.
See, just get up on morning. Bike gone, one gone. That not sound like a sorcery. That not sound good.
I go deal with that thing, brother. I go sell the bike, brother.
You deal that thing.
I sell the bike because you tell me, because you say, true, it will give me problem. Take your advice, brother. You understand?
Alright, you may say to you. May I give you next advice. Go down a road river. Go deep 7 times. Because salt is salt. Something not go on. Yeah man, go deep 7 times. Something not go on. But you have to know what go on. Because, you know what I mean? I buy one beer and just block your foot. You cut all crosses. Something not... I give you advice here, look at me like...
What do you mean? But not the woman. The woman good to me, virgin. You understand?
And just cut.
I don't understand, brother.
I don't understand, brother. Because you are going now. You see, at the end of the day, if a man go through him highs and him having woman and everything nice, and then right as him hit the leveled era, because I'm not say low, you know, hit the leveled era of life, and she just cuts up. I can't go to man.
So you blame my lady?
No, I can't go to man.
No, I don't want you to go there, sir.
I can't go to man.
Me and the lady never have nothing yet. The lady is a good woman, brother. And a woman, brother. And a woman is fault. I know her, brother.
So if it's her fault?
That's cool, man. Yo.
You know what you don't want to tell me? You do something, man. You do something.
No, man.
You're up to something,
man. But I just know what cause the problem, brother. Something not right, brother.
A long time in the street, sir.
I know what, man.
And if you don't want to tell me where you start the conversation from the first place.
I know what, man. But, brother, no son of a woman has a problem. And a woman has a problem.
I have a problem. So, sir, sit down. No, sir. Wow. Talk no man.
Yo, everything good, man. Like, you know I do no work today, so, yo, me I go down the road and come back. Everything good, man.
So you come back. You're not there. Just take it there. I'm tell you, go river, go deep 7 times. Yeah. You feel say you know what going, but this can't be good.
It's a woman, brother. Me know what, brother, but it's all good, man.
Yeah, by God, the woman, God. Yo, you can't stop, man. Wake up, the man.
Alright, man.
Eh?
Me come up after cuss, you love customer.
Oh, me some love cuss. No, but if you not say the right thing, I say foolishness.
Alright,
you know say rubbish your chat.
Yo, you see, yo. Oh, man. I'm sorry, I come up here now, man. You can't really start. Yeah, General, what go on? I see you to your car go to Portland, man. I see you to your car go to Portland. Yeah, me I say you can't go back to Portland. Don't me I beg you. Don't no man. Alright. Then after I left 4 more, what you say? Take a number 16 bus. Wow, that's too hard there, brother. I know you. Alright, let me try a thing. Because I have to catch a Portland. I have to reach a Portland. No. I can't wait till Thursday. Today. Alright, I'll do that. I don't know, star. Oh, God. Driver, where you go? Why, man? Yellow star. Portland side married, but I got some first. Don't know, star. Taxi! Don't know, star. Taxi. I have to catch a Portland now. Taxi.
Where are they, lid?
Wait, where I go, my boss?
There, man. There, now you sell me bike, man.
I miss you, man.
Pick up yourself, man.
You see, you get a machine, man.
Yeah, man. I get a little movement, man. A taxi me running.
Taxi?
Yeah, man.
What you say, man? Then I right tell me forward.
Yeah, man. A wipe ring.
Yeah, you know, say a Portland side me reach.
In Portland?
Yeah, man.
In idea?
In idea, yeah.
You know that farm in general, you know how much hours what I drive in that?
I know say far, man, but I don't know. I'm not really too far. Jamaica, where they still, you know. A Westmoreland, this part,
Only for hours.
Still in Jamaica.
Right.
So, how much you go up there? Just talk to me, money I spend, you know. A taxi I run, money I spend.
Me nah kill you, you know. Just give me 130 G.
30?
A whole heap of hours that I drive in that in general.
No, man, I don't have too much, brother. Take off something for that, man, and so I can go on, man. Because time I go, you know, I have to reach up there. It's urgent.
Alright, can you kill me when you sell me?
No, I mean, never
give me 25.
25?
Yeah.
25. Alright, yeah, man. Where is it?
Alright, because we have to tap in night, because night will come.
Alright, alright. I tell you, man. Oh, a little problem.
Yeah, man. I tell you, Portland a good place in general.
Tell you, man. Go on around. This side. Yeah, man, let's have food out Portland this.
Yeah, man.
Real.
Portland here forward, man.
Real. The little business become deal in that town, you know?
Alright, my general.
Nice, you know?
Pick up yourself, man, here.
So you wanna... Me find my way to go back down, you know?
If anything you shout me, because nigga me ahead, you know.
Nigga side, alright.
Alright.
One up, man, shout you, man. Me find my way to come back down, because I know the place good, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So... After that,
yeah, man.
The money not short.
No, man, the money good, man.
Alright, here we now. Take your time and rate them safe, you know.
Alright, my general.
Alright, my general. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
He left a bill around here. There, man, I go on.
That's Scully.
Yeah.
I go on.
Yo, man, there, what I go on, Jay?
There, bro. Thing good.
It's a whole bike from, man. I say ugly, man. No,
Just buy my bike.
This a bike, man? No, man. This a bike and I make it, my lad.
You can't say that, Scully.
No, man, it's a bike and already, my lad. For my bike can't turn to my lad. It's a bike and fit for you road. Yeah, man, it's a bike no fit for you road, man. It's a bike no good. It's a bike if you got a garbage heap, man. I want to you, man.
No, man, just buy my bike, Scully.
This a bike.
Me just buy the bike.
It's a bike and a good bike, my lad. It's a bike and already, my lad. It's a bike and a good. I can't get people upon this. It's a bike got a garbage heap, man. You can't spend the money upon this, man. I'm mad, man.
Yeah.
Look on my bike.
Scully. A good bike, me I tell him I just buy it, man. Tell me say nothing wrong with it.
Every thing you want. You that bike and a good, man.
Scully, I want to you. Oh, the big thumb, they just lick you so. And I mean, nobody say I mean, go on, you know. Yeah, Uncle, where's it going?
I want to go and read down on the road. On the bike a shop, man.
Uncle, you bike now shock. Where you talk about?
Bike a shop, man.
Oh, you not shock me?
Not even bother go down on the road, you know.
Yeah, it's alright, Uncle. You're alright, you know, Uncle. Hello, young miss. I look here, you know. I just want to get some money. Hey. Here. Big up yourself.
Como é que, Mário?
Man, tell us a beach over here, so and so, you know.
Yeah, me I see it. Get some fresh air there.
I'm for sure.
Yeah, more look round.
Yeah, man, I'm coming ready to go to the beach, we have over stuff can go, you know?
Why babes, the place nice though. I support Portland is nice.
Yeah, babes, I hear me come from. I know some place nice. So that's why I make sure you're there, you know?
Well, me nobody want left here.
Yeah, so babes, I don't feel left here.
You're so too nice.
So you did get something to eat?
No, you know, so me feel hungry though.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, what you know, we'll go to Burger King. Then we left from Burger King and just go home.
Alright.
Alright, that sound good?
Yeah.
Hold on, you know?
Hold on, man. Watch it, Rasta.
No, sir. On my bike there. On my bike gone. Jesus. General, let me see one bike when there, so. Jesus Christ. What this?
Listen, you know what? Me nah bother feel like energy. Me nah bother want you.
What?
Me nah bother want you.
My bike gone. No, you are gone.
Can't feel the things them. Me nah bother want you.
Christ, my bike gone. General. Why? Wonder where the road are lead to. Cause yo, this is Portland sitting here and get to you. General. The road there. Can't lead back round this and come round. Alright, that's enough. Respect, brother.
Fully active.
And nigga, me are going up, but I can't remember my way, brother.
Kevin!
How would that? I think
you buy a wood at a one and only.
come in now, babes. Where did they? Where did they?
Go on the road.
Eh?
Go on the road.
Up on the road. Which part on the road did they?
Portland.
What? Port where?
Land. So where you go and suffer?
Hold on. Where's the liquor?
Mr. Maggy Portland. So me know my own big man. Where they go and suffer?
What you do a Portland, Pinky? You nearly kill me, you nearly stress me out. Not to work, me can't go, Pinky.
What your problem? Kevin, what is your problem?
No problem.
So why you ask me what me I do a Portland? Why me go to Portland? What is the problem?
Alright, you are. Me not ask that again, sorry. Me know why you're there Portland, but it's alright. Me know why you're there Portland. But me just glad to see you come back. Right? You don't have to explain nothing. I love you seeing you. Yeah, baby? You are. Now go down in the town. You get something to cook and come back, yeah?
Alright.
Welcome back home. Jesus, yes. Why?
Welcome back home.
No, sir. Yes, Father God, thank you for another day. Woman come back home now. What was a journey. Right to do, Father God, the right, you know. Yeah, baby girl. You know. I run go out on the road to do some stuff I know. Yeah. So me left the money so you just buy this in the supermarket there.
Alright.
I just get everything what you need for dinner. Now, buy yourself something, yeah?
Put more money.
Oh yeah, go on son. So every money when I have no fear. You don't matter if me want to have it or you want to have it. Eh?
Thanks.
So you're not glad so we buy TV now? Okay.
I'm fun because mosquito would have kill me.
You know why I get there something here? I don't want you to leave from out here again. More you're comfortable. You understand? Alright. Cause Portland far, you know. And you're so far, I have to come for you. Even though I never literally come for you. But me know what I go on, man. Don't worry yourself. That's about you feel like come back. Me know what I go on, man. You don't know what I go on. But anyway,
What you go on?
How me look?
You look alright.
Just so you know what I go on, man. Me know what I go on. Anyway, now touch the road. Now hug now.
Later.
Yeah, man. You have everything now for your comfort. Turn on the fan now, man. Later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Carry back some for me.
Alright, my baby. Anything, what you want? KFC?
Yeah.
Anything for you? Yeah. Thank you, Father. I got another day. Yeah. Wait, what I go on higher?
How go on, man?
Yeah, man.
Ready, pan?
You know, so from what they may say more safe for race with you.
Yeah.
Because boy, I may tell you say some things that go on with my brother, man. From me buy the bike, yeah. I don't want things certain way.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want med certain way, but Before I buy the bike, brother, so much weird things never used to happen to me, brother. And I say some things happen to me, brother, boy. Honestly, I try to sell the bike and I still have to go back to it. Because I sell the bike and when I come on my yard, I see my woman.
Gotcha.
You understand?
Rough.
So what really go on? I don't know. I just feel like accept because nothing must. You what? I don't believe in certain things, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to put certain things to you like say you believe in nothing, but why? I don't know.
But you know say
Yeah.
it a give me problem too, that's why I sell it. You know say I got Obe woman. I got auntie. You know auntie?
Auntie.
Obe woman man. The spiritual woman.
You got that woman there too?
Yeah, wait now, I go link her because I have a couple problems. You see me, nah, no money on my block, so I go link her.
Yeah.
She give me this here where you sit on the front.
What up?
This is sticker man, and she give me this here.
Has she get this?
Yeah, and she give me get that from. I should probably borrow some figure again.
Everybody knows when they come in a me yard. Hey, you must bring money to me else the work can't get done. Me need money, me need money. If you want your work to done, you need to give me money. Ancestors, I can see that somebody's coming on a bike to me. Tell me what to tell him before you reach here. He's coming with a bike. Yes, my ancestors, I trust you and I believe in you. I know that anything you tell me to do, when I tell it to them, it work and it shall work. So shall it be in the beginning. So shall it be in the end. Let him come. Yes. If you're coming at me yard, hey, and you no got no money. If you're coming at me yard, hey, and you can't pay your bill, please turn back.
He say sign and say girls gone white. Oh, see it there? So that means say I don't. Okay. Auntie, me can come.
Come, young man. I know you was coming. And do not look behind you. Come straight along. You hear me say if you look behind you. Don't look behind you. Come straight along. Stop right there. Take off your slippers. Come over here on the carpet. Wipe your feet properly. Stand up. Turn around 3 times. You look like you can't count, man. Look at me. Don't blink. Don't squint your eyes. You break the rules already. Let me see in your hand. Who sent you come here?
You know, say my friend Bolo, auntie.
Who? Bolo?
Bolo.
Bolo?
Yeah.
Bolo from, let me see. I have to look in my crystal balls, you know, because you see, I have 3 crystal balls up there with my ancestors. And when I look in it, I can see where you guys coming from. How did this thing come from? Lord have mercy. Hold on. Bolo from Rona Lucifer Kana.
Yeah, auntie.
Really?
Do it here.
Every time.
Yeah,
General.
oi.
Yeah.
I know me send you up there, no.
No problem, man.
Alright, big up yourself here. Yeah.
So a plan, you and Bolo plan.
No, auntie, me and Bolo different. Me and Bolo are the same thing.
Cause Bolo owe me $1 million, you know. About 3 here now, you know.
Me
And me take my work serious. So if you know say you come to get a job done and you not have your money, no come in a me yard.
No man, me and Bolo
Just
different.
pin your roll and go straight back through the gate.
Me and Bolo different, man.
You have your money?
Yeah, me have my money.
Okay. What you want to get done? A matter of fact, I can see that you come here about woman. What you want me to do about woman?
Alright, auntie, so yeah, what? Me broke here now, me nah no work, me want some money. So when me go on road, be a woman to me and just give me money and just give me money, so. And woman nah no problem with it. Me want she just stay with me no matter what. All when I get money from woman, me just know she have no problem with it. That's all, man.
Let me see your hand. Put me on. Turn on the back. Let me see the next one. Rub them together. Spin around 3 times. Alright. Look like you can't court, boy. Anyway. You want me to make your woman stay with you.
Yeah.
And make you get whole heap of money.
Yeah, auntie.
From the same woman they are from any
different-
woman.
Any woman.
Any woman. You want me to make you get money from every woman and any woman.
Yeah.
And then if stay with you.
My woman for steer me.
Your personal woman you
Yeah.
want to stay with you.
Yes.
Oh, but you want to get money from the other rest of woman them, but you don't want them. You just want few woman to stay with you. Alright? Count from 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, ancestors, where are you? I can see you from afar. It's a distance. It is a distance between me and this social communication right now. Anyway, we are having a conversation. And it is a distance between me, you, and my ancestors. They are listening to you. They also can see you, but you cannot see them. What me say they can do? They can see you, but you cannot see them. You can't see them. Count from 1 to 3. 4 times.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Turn your back. Stretch out your foot in front of you. One of them. Stretch out your foot in front of you. Look at me. Move forward and go straight out there so until I call you back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Stubborn. Ancestors from the east. Ancestors from the west. I'm calling on you, ancestors from the north. I need you to come and visit me right now, ancestors from the west, east, west, north, and south. Right now. Power. 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 Listen to me now. I know you're all here. This young man, him come to me like me fool. Him and Bolo a friend with whom me money, which uno know already. Over 3 years, $1 million. Every time he con me and give me different pill to take. So I'm sending friend now. Because he feels same friend can come con me the same. First of all, the boy tell me say he have money just now. Then him say him not work. And he want work to get done. Want me, mother, auntie, mother, the baddest mother woman in Negril. Me, then call auntie. Want me to make him get money from every woman. And he want the one way in love and live with must stay with him. And no other man no forget her, only him. What can go so? My ancestors, I need you to do justice right now. Because we are going to turn it around. He wanted me to make every woman give him money. Nothing can go so. As from now on, as the sun is shining from the east, west, north, and south, my ancestors, him happy give every woman money as from today. And the woman who him have. He's going to get in a big trouble with that woman all the time. My ancestors, I'm listening to you and I'm going to do whatever you said. Yes. Okay. Yes. No problem. Here it is. This is it. How many times? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, my ancestors make the woman love the bike more than him and make him give woman money instead. So I've said, so shall it be. Trouble for the rest of his life. Trouble for the rest of his miserable life. Young man! Young man! Come now!
Alright, me come, auntie.
Come along. Come over here. Stand on my carpet. Wipe your feet. Good. Look at me. Look to the east. Look to my ancestors. Say, anything you say, it is done. Say that.
Anything you say, it is done.
And it must done.
And it must done.
It shall done.
It shall done.
And it going to be done.
And it going to be done.
Half it done.
Half it done.
Must done.
Must done.
Anything we say, I saw it go.
Anything you say, I say it.
That's right. Turn around. Right round. Spin around. Okay. You're going to carry this in your left hand. Don't put it in your right hand. Don't make your right hand touch it. Put it in your left hand and stick it on your bike. You hear me?
Yeah. Auntie.
Okay. Hold that. You will get what you need and what you receive. You shall receive it. Look at me. Turn around. Don't want it to go in your eye. Alright. Look at me. How much? My ancestors. How much? Okay. You have to give me $10,000.
So much, auntie?
Yes, 10,000.
A 9, but a 9 me have.
Huh?
A 9 me have, auntie.
9 what?
9,000.
See it? Same thing? You and Bolo are the same kind of somebody.
But auntie, you know what
Shut up! Birds of a feather flock together. The two are same thing. One of a kind. That's why Bolo said you come to me. No problem. No problem, oh, no problem. Open up your hand before you give me the money. Put the money over there. Open up your hand. Look at my hand. My ancestors. Sign it, seal it, and deliver it. Right now. Hold up your hand to my ancestors. Turn it to the east. Turn it back to me. Blow in your hand. Give me the money. Remember, stick that on your bike. Go ahead. Oh! If you don't have no money, $9,000. Can you imagine? You must give me 10,000. You give me 9. You and Bolo are the same thing? Okay. Go ahead. When you go down, look for Bolo. Tell him say, remember everything and every dollar, every cent when you owe me. No problem. Go on your bike.
Check out 100 US stand.
Yeah.
And for 200 Jamaican pounds.
Yeah, man. I'm not telling anything, man. Go on, man. Take keep that bike, man. Everything, man. Go on and road, man.
Manners, I respect
Manners, manners.
Pick up yourself, general.
Yeah.
Glad myself this a bike, you know. Oh, I go check babes, you know. Jesus Christ, babes again.
Why you come in look so excited?
Why? So why you have bag on the bed? Why you
About babes. Why you babes?
Me sell it cross this
Why you
bike.
babes?
Eh?
Why you babes?
Now you want me babes?
I might take me and I'll lick in your face with the about babes.
Why you keep up bag?
I left me, nobody like you.
What you mean nobody like me?
Get lost.
And she put the way she had the Twitter and give me. And I put it on the bike. Yeah, because she said they're gonna help me with all of my money problems.
So you get this, sir?
Yeah.
So it's gonna help you?
Yeah, with me the deal.
With all of your money problem them?
Yeah.
That lady there still, I kinda know that, I don't really know her still, but I kinda hear about her and way, but that's something, man.
Yeah, man, do it, man. Come
Pick up yourself, man, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's
Look
something my
more.
father, man. You know, start. Man, I go check on it up. Ah, brother.
Right here, sir. Right here, sir.
What, mommy?
Oh, good afternoon.
Afternoon then. 5 minutes gas tonight now.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Which one of them, 8 or 9?
Me 87 right now. 5 bills.
Okay. I'm telling your face look so.
You know, some of I go through some little stress, but I'm good enough.
But I struggle for you all the way down.
Tell them there, man.
Good, man.
Oh, yeah, man, everything good, man.
That's
So you
part of
alright?
life. Why am I there? I want to go me yard. But I don't know if I have to work now.
Yeah, man. I go down on the road, I go sort out something, you know?
I eat, man.
Yeah, man. Real. Take it out of this.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright. Take care. You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah. What on it? What about this, man? You have to give me no change, yeah?
Alright. No, sir.
What on pan this, sir?
Thanks. I'm lucky dear, man.
Hold on, no. Sail back to yeah? Everything for you, yeah?
Me Jesus.
Yeah, man. So pick up yourself. Everything alright, man.
You sure you're good?
You sure, man?
You sure you can manage?
Yeah, man. Me alright, man. That's a fear. Just to check beautiful. That's a fear, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's fine, yeah. One little stickers can't do nothing, man. I can't that. I know that, man. Yeah, big girl.
Damn.
What happened now? Wait, dinner smell good though. What happened?
How come back so fast?
See, there was some little thing up on my mind. Whole part thing up on my mind, man. I don't know what whole part thing we have out there deal with, see, so I will need a little rest, you know. I remember me at my yard, so I have to come on my yard, right? Share some other food for me, please. Get some other food. Share some of my food for me. I soon come there.
Alright, babes.
I'm not a sticker there. No choice. This now right here. Awesome. Hey! Ah! You're ugly! Babes! 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 You sure to dinner, right?
Share which dinner?
The dinner.
Me no love you again, you know.
You know what?
And a matter of fact too, go and go share to own a dinner. Remove yourself.
What do you mean say go and go share my own dinner, B? Where that come from, B?
Me no like you again. Why you not understanding of that?
You don't feel like me again. I just say love me.
It mean the same thing. Me no like you and me no love you again.
Oh! All of a sudden now?
Right
1
now.
second, a while ago, 1 second?
Pack up.
Alright, hold on. Let me see who come. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me see who come. Yo.
Come to the crosses, yeah.
I like that, you know. It's strange, man.
Must be you're mad.
It's strange, brother. What never really this, man? Cause the woman not love me again. The woman not even love me again. Hold on. Hold on, man. I put on the back. Wait now. I put on the back, man. Jesus. Alright, see you there. So you do want turn back so then? Jesus. Alright, calm see. Second, see. Alright. Jesus. No, sir. When we go buy this bike here for? No, sir. Hold on. No, sir. We don't feel your face, sir. We don't feel your suffer, sir. No, sir. Woman gone now.
Babe!
In a shop. Eh?
Are you that?
I'm me.
Oh. Are you that?
I'm me, man.
Come me tulips.
Some name back tulips now. Say now, man, I left.
No.
You still love me?
Of course me love you.
You serious?
Me don't know what get over me a while ago.
Oh, yeah, alright. alright. Alright, you alright? You sure?
Yeah. But yeah, me not no fever, my temperature alright, or what? What you?
Eh? You see, you love me, see you where?
Me love you. Where want me to tell you?
Alright then. Me know, yeah, me so come back. Me go get a drink for you, yeah? So come back.
Yes, me already have one.
Oh, I'm confused. Okay. Me so come back though, yeah? Me go down the road. Oh, sir. Me soon come here. Go and watch TV. Oh God, sit me right. I wonder if I have to go check my panty, man. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So me dead one and son man. What this?
No, sir. Sorry, man. Alright, cheese now, easy now. Jesus. Pencil I want sharp, but me deal with it on the road later, yeah? Yeah. Hello? What you say I go on now? What shop me I come in now? What you say? Yeah man, me I come deal there now man. You have the whole line money because I remember say the man round that way you know.
And stop the foolishness, don't waste time too much, man. Every time.
Nah, waste of time, man. Me forward right away, man. See?
Yeah, I'm sitting around that shop, son. Yo, I want to take my ears them now. You want this man?
Well, man, me forward and see morning just a break, man. It's even though the sun so warm. So that man, I walk this man. I not ride the bike, man. See? Yeah, me I left the bike.
I want to follow with the chat.
Yeah, man, me I forward, man.
Alright, cool.
Nah, I travel upon you this morning, you know. You could have deal. Although you deal. Alright. Alright now man, but me I walk same way. Alright now. Alright man. Boy, where this arena come from so sudden man, this arena just come down sudden so brother. Yo, Hilbert. Boy, I want to say rain just come down so brother.
Yeah, see rain and fall. Yo, look how long you wait for you, brother.
I rain hold me up down and sit there down so brother.
Are you making rain come down right now?
Oh, if you make rain come down father.
So how long we could have gone a long time, you know?
Brother, rain so top man, just give me money man.
Yo.
Give me money man, because man up I saw me up so I wait you know.
So how you going now? How you walking and bump on that rain now? Where bike you say?
The bike, you see the bike you know, it get too much problem brother. I left that you know. Give me 10,000 a man. I'm going to do this now man.
I mean, I tell you to this boy, you come like a joke business.
How much I see that cheat them I say I want now?
Alright. Just make sure you say,
yeah.
count the money.
Then I hit me a do man. What do you man? Then I hit me a do man. Sure.
Count the money now man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000.
You sure it's 11 that, right?
10 this a man.
Alright. So I guess so now, just go get the number them and forward.
You want to go on?
But me not go there in the forward though.
So, how you do? Road you go? I never see you just upset you know.
So what?
Like money run man.
You think me a worse in that place?
Yeah,
You probably let me a worse. Don't talk me down.
You want that gone so? Money run. So give me a thing now. Give me something man.
Well, feel when you just have gone. It won't take me more time.
You remember? We don't forget to know. Yeah, money, man. I remember say the 12,000. No, man. Show your money now. Them time you go look for man.
Don't we want me look.
Oh, yourself, man. Yo, when I broke, I forgot look for you, man, too.
Hey, all the man no play. Make time with
no,
ball
but
boy.
you want to accept it when you broke, too.
No, she good, man.
Not only when you get. Because see, they want not gone all of a sudden, you dress up. But anyway, me go up there.
Make sure
you
you go
forward.
Yeah.
Come forward. Boy, sorry, I'm not make it tap me now. I have to get the lumber them to make the dresser and sitting on few things. So I'm so far,
yeah, do it, but as me say,
yeah,
you know, come see me.
Yeah.
You understand? As me tell you already, current gone, so you have to do it.
So
normal did. Yes,
sir. Yeah.
I'm not pay no current bills a month here, next month.
I'm so forward, you know.
Matter of fact, yo.
Yeah.
I got there so wait because I know everything already. I'm tell you say the current gone.
Yeah.
So you have to do, but you know, me I wait. Get the receipt. Collect the receipt.
Right.
You hear me say sir?
You really no burn off, man. So now quick move, man. I'm so forward. You really soon burn off.
Yeah, hurry up.
Yeah.
And you can buy 200 flex card for me.
Alright.
I want 200 flow.
Alright.
So 206. Yeah. When I come. I'm here to do someone.
Man, look like you lock up a place, a star. Lock up a place, star. Studio man, for all go there some money, you know. Studio man, for go buy all this money right now. Yeah, voice man, for voice a tune with all this money. Man not there. You don't want to make no money. You don't want to make no money, man. I got a studio. Every day a furniture work. Artist life man fi live youth. My voice a tune and I mean it. Me gonna me write for years ago, man, I have to remember the tune, you know, because now the producer youth I feel like say, yes it. Go on and bed fee. Yo, producer! Producer!
No, I hear St. Live down up the road in our White House.
Excuse me, auntie. What you say?
I hear St. Live up the road in our White House.
So you tell me say you St. Live. Producer, leave me and waste it. Alright, big up yourself. Now go down there, yeah?
Alright.
The big 2-floor White House and so?
Yeah.
Alright. Bed fee, chuckle. Yo, producer! Yo,
my God.
Voice become for voice, you know, man.
Just push the gate and forward, man. You know how the ball game go.
Alright, my general. Respect.
Yes, I studio for that, man.
Man. Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Yes, nice one.
Yeah, respect, man. Respect.
Real, man. Yeah.
So
it's not going now.
Yeah,
Talk to me now, man. I don't know, you know.
Yeah,
A 3 grand for Vice, you know.
3 grand for Vice?
Just for Vice.
Yeah? 3 grand for Vice. So that cover everything?
No, man, that don't cover everything, man. When the song done, you have to go charge you.
Oh, yeah, so man.
Yeah, man, yo, go easy, pan you. You know you go.
Oh, yeah, man, everything
take
good,
your time, man.
Alright, alright. So you
are with him?
I don't know rhythm, boss. What you say?
You know, it's studio business, you have your weed and then look at things.
Weed?
Yeah, man.
No, weed.
Weed get a different vibe and then look at... It just come, so.
So I can get some... Yo, weed. Well, next time I can weed, man.
Alright then, fine, you can do that. So what you know?
Yeah.
Let me hear your song, man.
Alright, you want to know?
Hold on. You can't read him?
No, I'm not read him.
Alright. Let me hear one look part of the song. Fresh one, man.
Remember me make it like...
Yeah, that's why more your fresh one. I don't really know.
I have to go to some buckle. They want to fit the buckle, in Ghana and Red Sea, and tackle. They want to fit the buckle.
Alright. You get cheer with him and more, you pick funny.
See.
When you pick funny and cheer.
Alright, sir.
I make me know which one you like, which one fit.
Yeah, man. So...
Alright.
So put on this first listen.
No, man, you put on here, man. You can't listen for us.
I can catch you all this like so then.
Yes.
Like a top man, my boss one.
Georgia.
I'm gonna see that. Down, yeah, you got these some buckle. One after the buckle rocker. Down and bet. Yeah, I'm gonna like that one. Next to it.
No, you don't have that.
The one in the hot.
Try that one there.
Watch out now. Grandma, yeah, she got tea.
No one let
What? I want to say that. What's up, man? Yeah, you got some buckets. You want to fit the bucket. Yo, this one. This one.
Alright.
Yeah, man, load up that one.
Alright.
Load up that one and I'll Pro Tools, brother. Load up that one, my general.
No, go there now.
For real. Load up that one, because you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, they're in the act, you know. How they one in here? The one the act, man.
You know, see, as that one there.
So I'm good. Watch out. Yeah, man. Everything's on, man. Okay. Yeah, you know, it's alright with him. Yo.
No, what vibe, buddy.
Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, down on bed feet, don't chuckle. I wanna feel. Yo, tell me already, you know. You don't know, you know. You Shelly, you know. Cause road we are send that one there, you know. You know. Take off some boy off the scene and show them say we are on the scene, that's it. Oh gosh, now. They really must see it too. Tell me already, you know. Tell me already, you know.
Alright, you ready?
One on there. What tune go again?
Yeah, ready now.
No, hold on, camera. Let me see better. One more time.
Ready?
Run. What's that? Run. Why you forgot these some buckle? You wanna see the buckle, yeah, the buckle rocker. In Ghana and Dead Sea, no chuckle. I love you think to me good ride bicycle. You ride by yes, I go mandible.
Run, me say me run. Me run, got the man having gun. Gun. Me say the girl them call me sweet bun. The girl they love me so much. Everywhere they see me, they want up me up. Me say, say me ga wa. Say me ga wa. Say me ga. What I know. Ya tu kat kisah makan. Oh nak pergi makan ni makan. Jangan ada ti, nak cakap macam ya tu. Jadi go. Bisa merun. Tadi man abing gon. Yo. Where's now general? Chop it there, sir.
Yeah.
Chop it there, sir, my general.
Tough. Bad, brother.
Tough, man. Let me hear that.
Yeah, back.
Play back, let me hear that now, man. Run. What I know said, ya tinggal di sana makan. Gimana boleh pakai ya dimakan. Don't cakap. Kalau keting sampai kau dah naik baik. Yo, producer, don't play me. Yo, listen. That's my partner. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah. Finally, boys, hit now, yo. Ya, suka tisam bakal. Yo, nak film bakal. Ya. Bosan now, yo. Boy, rain down as someone no rain up, so. Why you deal it now? Boy,
You think about that front?
no man, not for that. The one man, you see the one man, me there call him, but me need to get through to him. But I really that a problem, you know.
No problem.
The problem is,
Where receipt, the first thing. Give me receipt.
hold on, man, when you reach a receipt, man. The problem is, the money kind of lost one way. The money kind of lost one way, because I don't know, when I go down so, I'm check my pocket. Just when we reach up a Maggy shop, I go in there and I buy like one water and I dip it in my pocket so. It's like when we come so, I go back out the door so.
So, yeah.
Well, no. Just when I go back out the door so, I don't know if I slip the money slip or somebody pick my pocket or what. But the money gone, better, whole like 10,000. Whole like 10,000, that's me feel like with a machines for the face. Say it better.
I don't feel for using some boss right now. We are talking about $10,000. Eh? We are talking about 10. Yo, give me 10,000. Give me 10,000.
Listen to me now.
Find me $10,000.
Yo, back your money, cause listen now. Listen now.
Christ, man. It's not coming like a
Hold on, brother.
I walk this up and for turn. No, true.
Walk this
Let's
up.
turn me a boo. Walk this, not true.
I got boss in a music. Well, me I tell you that.
Jesus Christ, no man. I really eat it, sir.
Look at no,
Idiot.
Me mind. Listen to me now. Me is an artist now, brother.
Which artist?
You know, so me do music now.
Music when?
Me start the music now, brother.
Gentleman.
And you wanna
gentleman.
song I got boss one idea them. Listen to me now, me go give back a 10,000 and put out something on it to my boss. A J Tsunami, my name.
J Tsunami.
Artist name that.
Graphist name that, but J Tsunami. J Tsunami. That is it.
Man, I believe in them.
Believe in over thing. You already lost me 10,000 believe in your
Can't
thing.
be saying I believe in them.
How you believe that somebody wanna believe in themselves for just simply go down the road and buy the damn lumber them. Get back and say so we can make a sure money. That come talk about things what might, possibilities. Why, I want you, man.
Brother, I'm tell you say money last.
You look ahead when you sleep when I sitting.
Brother, I'm say me go in the shop and me buy one water. And me go so can't find the money. No way money not there, brother. But me tell you say me I'll give back your money cause different thing me pre now. You see all furniture work. A Lego me start me soon Lego it.
A Lego it today.
A boss, eh?
No, Lego it today.
Why?
Lego tight today, cause right now,
But me no
process.
bust it, me no
You know
bust
bust it? Just Lego. Just Lego.
What you try to? You run me for the
Me not ready for the place again. Me I say give place a walk. Cause you salt. Go Jordan River go dip 7 times.
Alright man, hold yourself.
And if you go down 8 you know so nobody come up.
Hold yourself.
You can't count.
Remember me tell you now. Me say, look out for my name out the road.
I'm go there now.
Yes, the furniture, brother. Cause right now every day we have the furniture. You can't reach. You can't reach off a furniture.
Yes.
Eh?
Look how you pay for the machine.
You can't reach.
How you
It's
pay
a
for the
machine.
machine?
I remember some me lend the money.
No. Don't do that.
And sit there.
Don't do
the
that.
money where you make off and whatnot now, you're gonna give woman it now and sit there. You don't have no more money.
Yo, go on here. With finger busted.
You hear that man?
Look, it's a plan for tell me that can't wait. The mother come back here, sir.
Oh, yourself, man.
That's why your advice. And that me I tell you. And that's me 10,000.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't
Why
wait.
it's a mash of everything, sir. What
Our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine,
Yeah, remember she go on
I
this
drink
big
straight.
bar station. Can't be that positive vibe, eh? Can't be that vibe with them.
Just music
I'm going to go there now. I'm going to tell you brother something.
This is yours truly, DJ
Yes, you go
Advice.
fill up.
Right now I'm about to play a brand new artist by the name of Dre Tsunami. Song is going on well in Europe, USA, Canada, all over the world. This song is a big world-renowned hit right now on the scene.
Oh, what it, but
Here we go.
Run, 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 What I know said, go on, yard, we got this and buckle. You wanna feel the buckle, yeah, the buckle, and I made feet.
Hey, DJ, stop, pull up a tune, man. Play a tune, man. Get them ready, man, I say, man. So, sometimes, man, I pull up a tune and talk too much.
This one is
Get
going
chat
on
too much,
well.
make a man show.
This
I'm
one
a
is
friend.
taking over the
Tune
world
play.
right now.
Run.
Yeah.
Go on, yard, we got this and buckle. You wanna feel the buckle, yeah, the buckle, rocker. I look at things and me could ride bicycle.
A long time to see him still.
Every day.
We tell you now, that fool should start play again. I tell you. Believe in me.
Watch out, boss, in a music. Right, and I tell you that.
That's right, no man, I really eat it.
Look at look at no.
Idiot.
This is an artist, my brother.
Which artist? What phone? What phone? But most people go can't get for call Cinti. Cinti don't think so I call him off and can't give me money. It a ring to bomba. I can see him over here. Yo! Yo, I'm so excited right now. If you tell you about, hey.
Wait.
This sound, sir.
I'm gonna drink up some energy, you see it?
No, that me, brother, me say right now that me fi beat and I vibe me feel, brother, me I tell you God the truth.
Real, man.
Yo.
Tell us anything or shot, man.
No, listen me I say. Me believe in you, brother. Me up there on the work right now, me I listen to radio. And for some reason, Gia just said to me, say, change the station, because I never change the station more than a year, you know, brother. I just say it thing set. I'm going to change the station, me hear a song, I play, me I say, boy, yo, tears of joy, brother, and I tell you.
I tell you, tune and go and go down in Europe.
Me I tell you, man, you must go, bro. Yo, so where there now? Which part where there now?
It's a BMW, me just pay down and I say, boy, me even drive it, me just come check here now. Me come check here now.
You come believe me?
Yeah, man, me come check you up at the shop there, man.
Boom! Yo, foul.
No mud enough that I don't know, me don't want to crash. You see me?
Nah, man,
Come check here now up the same.
Yeah, right away. Look where in a fall still. Look where in a fall still.
Rain a fall from last month, brother.
Yeah, man, but you know what you do? We have water, can't wash our boot for nothing, man. You're swollen, man.
So far, me too come check here.
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah.
Jesus. Alright. No, sir. You feel like walking out there, because I tell you, say, I'm excited. What can go so, eh? Believe in the people. Yeah, man.
Don't want to hear some mud up on my shoes over here saying. Yo! Oh, you tell me son of mud not there, brother?
No, you're not. Yo, you hear me? Watch your man, man. Oh, man.
There you go.
Up the boss.
No.
Funny, you know.
Up the thing there now. England.
Yo.
UK. The whole place. You're so far out. Watch out, I leave the one. No one to catch all the diamond.
No, man. Real, that's true.
Yeah, the real man. You fake things.
That's true.
So we're both selling that.
Yo, try to show say. Yes, bro. And me over there start try to pick up some stuff and me walk in. Couldn't even find my phone.
Yeah.
See? Walk in. I'm going to see the station and I myself say, yo.
Real.
No. Yes, no, I'm that.
If you look out for me, man.
Always look out, brother. Always. Believe me,
brother, it's on a chop.
Me know, man. Me hear
you. On chop.
Yo, if you right DJ, I say about it.
That's that me talk about, brother. Yo, brother, me couldn't believe. It's like, you see how the producer?
Yeah. Rich.
It's like, him rich out his music to man. Him rich out his song to man. One song, brother. Me tell a man say one song can't make you rich.
That's true, man.
Them man say, let's say roof a leak, brother. You know, say, you want some stop leak, brother.
So you say you can't contribute to report
a simple thing that, man. You know, so that's come like smoke.
Boom, man. Where you are? I don't mean them kind of catch up.
I can't do dirty pressure. I know my fingernail them dirty up, brother. I must have artist thing and all my father. Different thing and all.
Yeah, highlight, yeah.
You tell me I take this, I drink a bucket of Hennessy.
That's true, man. I life. Oh. Yes, so now I'm a dress.
You know, I leave my 2 toy cars. I have some girl on the hotel away.
So, yo.
One night time, man. Know yourself. We have slapped the entourage member. Alright. But me left a thing with us still because you don't know, you know.
Yeah, man, left a thing, man.
Yeah, I'm a general for a morning and you don't know. We can't bust a road and we not come check your schedule and make you get something.
True, man.
So you me I say no. A euro this, you know. And you see me euro.
You say money look ugly.
Yeah, me I tell you. Euro and US mix up in this right now. You understand? Well, I'm on this is 800,000, you know.
Alright, my boss.
I have something and all them dirty thing can. You understand me? I say?
It a work, man.
Believe me, brother, I don't know so.
Yo, I saw people believe my people.
I go back on the hotel and I will check it.
Man.
I have a studio session in later.
Show me now, keep me posted. You know so that what you
That's cool, man. That's cool, man. Anyway.
Right, you come from Paul, right?
Alright,
you probably come from. Right, man.
You see it? Respect yourself, so I have to move on now.
Yeah, man. So let's watch your step.
Yeah, man. I don't like them dirty mother.
Yeah.
You see me?
The face style again.
Them dirty mother, brother.
Man, boss. Yeah, man. I mean, we probably
The girl they love me, so the girl they love me still look them. Hey, me no know how they love me, so when me go on the road, them a look me, so me say the girl them love me when me boss. Yes. Me say me go my yard put a tea some buckle. You wanna feel the buckle, the buckle. Because I baby, you wanna feel the buckle. Yeah, run.
So I believe that, yo. But still, you know, enough money you owe me, you know. Most this, because one time I gave 10,000 there last year. One time me pay for that sitting there. But this I take care of it still. This I take care of it. You can't waste them savings and put your butt up.
Maggy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Yeah, problem bike. Yeah, me love girls, me love girls, me love girls from all over the world.
Problem bike, I'm a problem bike. Problem bike, I got 1 yard pick a teeth and back. Sure, the song that what that's all. Anyway, you are going on people. I just want to thank you very much. Yeah man, you have made it to the end of Problem Bike episode 2. Yeah man, thank you very much. But people, I compile some clips, some very, very sad clips. Very, very sad. You know, as you all know that Raphael just passed through and even more so left in the west devastated, you know what I mean? Yeah. Down in the west, boy, it don't look good at all people. Yeah, so I compile some clips so you can see what I go on. You know, all of the people them were, you know, were badly affected by the flood. My heart goes out to you all, you know what I mean? And I know God is going to take care of things soon. We're not going to be okay soon, right? Yeah, man. So, with all that being said, big up on yourself. 1 Maggy Films and a 2, right? Yeah, man. Take in them clips here. Me note that here. Yes, my general, may I get some height, you know? Up the J.
Maggy,